Hi everyone, good morning. If elements not loading properly on your WordPress site, don't worry. This is a common issue and I am here to help. In this video, I will walk through the most common reason for this problem and provide simple step-by-step solutions. By the end, your website should be back to running smoothly. Step 1. Check your browser cache. Let's start with the easiest fix. Clearing your browser cache. Sometimes, outdated files in your cache can prevent new elements from loading. Simply go to your browser setting, find the option to clear cache, and refresh your website. This quick step can often solve the problem right away. Step 2. Next, plugins can break elements on your site. Here is how to test this. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the plugin section and deactivate all plugins. Activate Elementor and Elementor Pro. Refresh your website to see if the element load. If this works, reactivate each plugin one by one to identify which one is causing the problem. Once found, consider replacing it with an alternative. Step 3. Update your WordPress theme and plugins. Outdated themes or plugins are another common cause. Ensure that your WordPress version theme and plugins are all up to date. You can check for updates in your dashboard under the Updates section. Just click Update Now, and this should fix compatibility issue causing elements not to load. Step 4. Check file permissions. For most WordPress sites, folder should have permissions set to 755 and files should be set to 644. Adjust them as needed, then reload your site. Step 5. Test for theme conflicts. If the issue persists, your theme might be the problem. Switch to a default WordPress theme, like 2025, to see if the elements load. If they do, contact your theme developer or consider switching to a more stable theme. In the end, enable safe mode. Safe mode allows you to troubleshoot issues by only loading the editor, without loading the theme or any other plugin. These steps should resolve most causes of elements not loading on WordPress. If the problem still persists, consider reaching out to your hosting provider for additional support. They can help troubleshoot server-side issues. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tips.